Hello and welcome to the first learning module for ED 584. Hopefully by this time you've had a chance to look over the syllabus, familiarize yourself with the assignments, with the expectations, with the logistics of the course. So let's get into the first module, and I'll give a brief overview of the activities and the assignments and the things that are available to you on Blackboard Learn in this first learning module. First thing you'll see is just an overview, which provides the purpose and overview of the module, the first learning module. Then there are the learning objectives, and then we go into the activities, the directions and the activities. The first reading part will be from the statistics for the behavioral sciences. We'll have you read Appendix A or look through Appendix A, which is mathematics and statistics. Basically a review of basic math, the mathematical concepts that will be needed as we go through this course. There will also be practice problems in that appendix, and we provide the solutions for those problems here in the first module on Blackboard Learn. Then we'll have you read Chapter 1, which is an introduction, and also goes into descriptive statistics. And there will be a supporting PowerPoint slideshow that goes along with that. You'll need to use the password 584 to get into that PowerPoint, and a link is provided in this first module on Blackboard Learn. Chapter 2 will also be required, and that is summarizing data through tables, graphs, and distributions. There will also be a supporting PowerPoint with that, and the password for that is also 584. The final reading assignment is to read the first chapter out of the How to Use SPSS textbook. The assessment activities for the first learning module. First thing we'd like for you to do is provide an introduction of yourself. So go into Blackboard Learn, and a link is provided here in Module 1. And this is worth 10 points. And just tell us who you are. Tell us why you are here, what your educational goals, what the goals are for your program, your degree program, and maybe provide us with your research interest. Last thing I'd like for you to do with this, the information you provide, is what do you like to do for fun? This will help us get to know you better. I'd also like for you to upload a photo so that we have a photo for your avatar. Something that represents you. It could be a picture of yourself, or maybe a picture of your family, or the activities you like to do, or just maybe some of the sites from where you live. The next assessment is the 15-point beginning of the course survey, and this is a formative assessment, and it helps us to see where you are at, what prior knowledge you're bringing to the course, and this will be due at the end of week 1. We also use it to verify that you are registered and you are in the course. There will be a reflective commentary. With the reflective commentary, we'd like for you to summarize the main points, the things that stood out to you in your readings. What stood out the most to you, and then also to provide a reflection on how you will use that to meet your educational and your career goals. Now, this assignment, there's two parts to it. One part is you're posting, then the other part is to respond to two of your classmates, or even mine, because I also provide the reflected commentary, but to respond to two or more of those other postings, and by doing that, you will receive full credit for the reflections. The links in the first module on Blackboard Learn, we are going to provide the Appendix A solutions. Then we'll also provide the supplementary PowerPoints. There will be a link so you can go into the beginning of the course introduction to introduce yourself. There will be a link to take the beginning of the course survey, a link for the reflection, and also, and this is assignment will be due on January 31st, but the first big assignment is to complete the National Institute of Health, and it is a web-based training course certificate for research. and working with human participants in research. There's a link so you can go in, a web link to go onto the NIH website to complete the course. And then what I'll have you do when you complete that is to send me a copy of the certificate so that I can give you full credit. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy this first learning module. Take care.